Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a before and after of the gear swap. So we're going to do the stock gears, 37s, and then we're going to go to the 430s and 37s. What I want you guys to notice is on my tuner, on the bottom left-hand corner, there's a number. That's going to be the actual gear the truck is in. So watch that with the correlation of the RPMs, and you can just hear the difference in the motor of how the transmission is trying to search for gears and then how it's also downshifting. So there's a lot of downshifting and upshifting in the first video. And what I mean by that is watch how long it takes me to get all the way up to 6th gear with stock 342s, and then watch how fast I get up there with the 430s. So just keep that in mind when you're watching these videos. That way it'll show you the big difference of what we're trying to get to. All right, and with that being said, what I do want to, before we get started on the video, I just want to say thank you guys for all your support. Everything has been going pretty good over here on my end. I think I'm starting to get a hang of actually making these videos, and I think I'm putting out a better product every time we do this. So once again, appreciate you guys' support. We're almost to 100 subscribers. Like I said before, what we're gonna do is we're gonna give away those ProComp RS6 lights after I get 100 subscribers. And then what we're gonna do is comment down below why you guys actually think you deserve those rock lights. So we're going to be giving those away here sooner than later. And without further ado, here, let's get started into the video. All right, guys, today is Monday, April 6th. What I'm gonna do today is I'm just gonna take you guys for a little cruise and show you guys the different shift flares and different shift points of the truck with the stock 342 gears on 37. So here we go. This is kind of going up a little bit of an incline. Just shifts so fast. All right, everybody, today's date is April 11th. Like I said earlier, this video is going to be shot over several different days. This is about 2 days after the gear install. We are currently at 70 miles since the gear install. So you can tell the transmission is starting to adapt to the different shift patterns. So what we're going to do is I'll show you guys the actual shift patterns after the gear install. So like I said, if you look at the MM3 tuner, if you look in the bottom left hand corner, there's a number that'll be the actual gear that the truck is in. So notice the miles per hour and what gear I'm in. Before I wouldn't even be there until, I wouldn't even be in 5th gear yet. So, and then I would probably get to about 5th gear now, and then it would kind kind of shift into 6th. If not, just shift right back out and always trying to downshift, upshift. Sorry for the blurriness. Going over half throttle. That's going to be today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I just wanted to give you guys kind of a little bit of a difference of stock 342 gears with 37s and how the transmission shifts, and then after to the 430 gears and how it shifted with the 37s. The truck drives like a whole new beast. I talked to Cam a little bit about it, and he agrees. He feels the same way. So like I said, I don't have that many miles on these gears, but what we're going to do is, if you guys have any questions or comments or want any further advice or information on them later on down the road, please don't hesitate, you know, reach out to me, let me know. I just want to keep you guys informed so you guys can make the best decision for you when it comes to selecting gears for your truck. So once again, appreciate you guys as always. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So please like, comment, subscribe, and give me some feedback, see how I did. And also, don't be afraid to go over to my Instagram and hit me up over there. It's OKC_6.7, just like the YouTube channel. So other than that, that's going to be it for today's video. Once again, appreciate you guys. We'll see you guys on the next upload.